Hello everybody. Okay, welcome to this particular lecture. So in our today's presentation, we'll see about the ATM in telecommunication. ATM not in electrical power system. In electrical power system, ATM is it indicates for automatic transfer switch. Automatic transfer switch. In a case of power electronics or electrical system. In the case of communication system, ATM replaces for synchronous transfer mode. So in this particular lecture, we'll focus on how this synchronous transfer mode or ATM works and what does it mean. What does it mean in a communication system? So this asynchronous transfer mode ATM is nothing. It is a switching technique which is used by a telecommunication network. It is an switch which is used in a telecommunication networks that uses asynchronous time division, which is used for asynchronous time division, multiplexing to encode the data into small and fixed sized cell. So there are a large number of data from the user from different sides, and inside the telecommunication system, that data will be grouped or subdivided into multiple form of a small or fixed size data by the help of this ATM. So ATM, there are a big data from the user and come to the telecommunication center, which is enter into the ATM, and then from this, which is again sent to the next second user by the help of this ATM. Here there is a large data come to this ATM center, and this ATM filter a large data into a small fixed sized form, which is said to be ATM. So ATM have its own different packages and different kinematics. So this is different from Ethernet or Internet. So we have to know that we don't mix the ideas, the concepts between this ATM and Internet. So it's have a very huge difference between ATM and Ethernet or Internet. So which uses a variable package sizes of data or frame. So in this case, which is a very important thing, especially to change a very huge data into a small package fixed sized form, we used ATM. So ATM is not the so-called the electrical power system ATM, automatic transfer switch. In this case, we focus on the asynchronous transfer mode. So asynchronously, the system will be transferred from the big size data to a small sized data. Here we have a big sized data, so that big sized data will be shifted into the small sized form by the help of this ATM.